Okay, guys, I needed a video for today and didn't have one. So I'm picking up a quilt at my Longarmers. It's not this one. This one she's putting on. But this was a really cool notion. So this is a Dritz 120-inch tape measure. And what I like about it is that it zeroes out. You don't often see a zeroed out tape measure or ruler, and it's something that I've really been wanting to add to my collection. She's got some Post-its here. She's marking the borders where they are. She's using it to help keep this guy centered. She put hers on magnets and it stretches across her entire long arm here. She's running a big, beautiful gamble. But I just think this is a really good find. I have a Tim Holtz ruler that I use in paper crafting that has a zero so that you know when things are even. And I'd been wanting something like this for my quilt room, and now I'm going to get this. I was told I could get it off of Amazon. I'm going to try to find it and put a link down below. But yes, we are talking about this Dritz. And the cool thing is it's regular on this side and it zeros on this side. Definitely getting this as soon as I get home.